Roofs all over this city are leaking, costing thousands in damages. One man must rise again to find a better way. But this time,
you're gonna need all the help you can get on this one. New guy, meet the new gal.
He won't be alone.
I work alone! You're a loose cannon.
You think you're ready? You're not. No one is.
Roofs don't scare me.
Not yet.
The looming threat of 1,000 butt joints, leading to a caulking mess on the roof. The tick of the clock as they run out of time to dry the roof and install the mounts. The chill of the cold as they try to heat the butyl and maintain the warranty.
I knew you weren't ready. Should've listened to my gut.
Something happened to you, didn't it?
You wouldn't understand.
With the fate of Solar hanging in the balance, they must put aside their differences and kick things up to 11.
You're crazy.
I know. It's finally ready. Introducing the all-new InstaFlash2.
Now they must put it to the ultimate test.
Just release the safety and drive the first screw into the rafter. Add the second one on top.
Nice.
Miss the rafter? I know how that feels. Trust me. Just add a screw to the right or left until you hit it, then add the final screw above it.
What if there aren't any rafters?
Attaching to the deck is even easier. Just release the safety and drive in all 6 screws. You know what's even cooler? Thanks to the pre-installed non-hardening sealant, it even works on butt joints.
Wait, so if we don't need to drill any pilot holes, and it comes pre-installed with a non-hardening sealant that works on butt joints and in any weather condition, that means no more leaks.
I'm just glad nobody else has to go through what I did.
Partners?
Partners.
This summer, nothing can stop them, not even Mother Nature. Jake McGinnis, Tracy Knight, starring in InstaFlash2.
Here we go again.
Coming soon to a dealer near you.